Hurricanes, which experts consider to be among the most formidable and dreaded natural phenomena, are sustained and powerful movements of air masses that develop over the ocean and generate winds exceeding 74 miles per hour. Strong winds during a hurricane lift both sizable and diminutive objects, which subsequently strike the exteriors of structures, causing damage to windows and doors. Impacts from small objects traveling at velocities of up to 130 feet per second are transmitted to the upper floors. The lower levels of the structures are impacted by larger objects in the vicinity, which permit the ingress of water and strong breezes that have the potential to cause the structure's collapse. It is crucial, when selecting windows and glass, to consider both the wind loads and the impacts that will be experienced by the structure. Furthermore, positive and negative pressure fluctuations endeavor to dislodge the glass from its frames during hurricanes. Hence, the rigidity of the glass remains critical even after its breakage. To protect structures from the destructive effects of hurricanes, Florida enacted stringent building codes pertaining to windows. These codes mandate that windows undergo pressure cycle testing and evaluation with two distinct types of projectiles after impact. These experiments simulate the effects of large missile impacts on the lower floors of a structure during a hurricane. Impact of a small missile simulates hurricane-related impacts on the upper stories of a structure. Pressure cycles, executed after the impact on the glass. These cycles utilize positive and negative pressures to replicate the consequences of hurricane winds by attempting to dislodge the glass from its frameworks. While complete prevention of hurricanes is unattainable, one can take precautions against the catastrophic consequences they may cause. SentryGlas, your protection during turbulent times and your source of strength.